Hi, it's Tiana from Matte Original. I'm here to explain the process of weeding an HTV pre-cut design and adding it to a t-shirt. But before we get started, please like this video, hit that subscribe button, and click the bell to receive notifications from us. Okay, let's get started. Alright, so the design that we are using today is the Black and Educated design. You are going to need your scraper, your Cricut scraper tool, and also your weeding tool, and also Siser TTD Easy Mask. Now the Easy Mask is just a piece of sticky type of film that you put over the design so that you're able to stick it to your shirt before you press it. Now, I got this design from our crafting store called Savvy Crafters. This isn't sublimation, so it can be applied to cotton and other fabrics, which is something that we love. So when I'm applying the Easy Mask to the design to weed it off of this paper, I peel it back first, and the clear part is sticky. So you want to make sure you have something under your design so that you can stick it to. And during this process, I take the scraper to make sure there are no bubbles and no creases. Alright, once you have put the Easy Mask over your design, still want to go over it, make sure there's no bubbles, no creases. Now this is the point where you get to pull it back, and this is where you're going to need your weeding tool. This is a pre-cut, so there are, cuts in it so that you can see where the design needs to come off of the paper. But sometimes you need to use your weeding tool to kind of loosen your design up so that you can have it all on the Easy Mask. Now this video was a little sped up, but you do want to make sure that you're being careful as you're peeling back this Easy Mask. You kind of want to think of this Easy Mask, and it's kind of the same thing as transfer paper. So this is, like transfer paper for HTV, and we know that transfer paper is very sticky. So if you are in a rush, or if you're not paying close attention, you could possibly rip your design, and that's something that you don't want to do. The only hard part for me in putting this design on the Easy Mask was the letters. There were some spots where the white paper wanted to stay, or wanted to also be on the Easy Mask sheet. So that's what I mean when I say you have to be careful and make sure that you're paying attention. Make sure that what the design that's supposed to be there is the only thing that's on this Easy Mask paper. Okay, so now I'm almost to the point where I'm almost done. Now for this design, we are adding it to a white t-shirt. We're using a white Bella and Canvas t-shirt, just the regular ones that they sell. Nothing fancy, just a regular ladies t-shirt. Alright, so this is how it looks when it's on the Easy Mask transfer paper. So now let's add it to the t-shirt. Because our heat press is a crafting size heat press, we had to do this in two parts. First, Drew had to press the top, and then he went ahead and put it back on there to press the bottom. We pressed at 300 for 30 seconds. Alright, so now that we have it pressed, this can also be peeled hot. So you kind of want to set it down on something because this Easy Mask paper is very, very sticky. So you kind of want to set it down on a table or something like that and peel it back from there. As you can see, I had to help hold the shirt down so that he can peel it back. And the best thing about this Easy Mask transfer paper for HTV, it's reusable. So we can get multiple uses out of this paper. So here it is. This is our pre-cut design on a t-shirt. Thank you for watching.